All right, we're packed in a garage. Good morning and happy holidays. Merry Christmas to you guys that are celebrating. And just want to run something by you guys. We're having an issue in my garage, and that is this guy. It snapped yesterday. I pulled in a garage, and on the way down the door, the spring snapped. So the garage is not going up right now. We had this one replaced about 4 months ago. Now this one came off. So I'm thinking switching that one over here, maybe today, and hopefully that will fix the problem. For now, then we have to have somebody come in after the holidays and put that one on. And I'm thinking if I put that one here, that one has been used like minimum, like maybe 10% past 6 years. But this one has been used every day, like multiple times. And I'm thinking about it, switching that one to here, but I never done any of this. So I'm thinking you just unbolt it here, slide thing off, put that one on, put a tension on. Maybe it should be pretty easy to be done. But now we have the cars hijacked in the garage. Well, I think if I help the door up, I think this motor can actually lift it up. So let me turn the heat on. All right, so it's gonna be a little nice and warm. But yeah, guys, so we have all the cars in the garage, and the door's not going up. We also have this bad boy ready because it's snowing outside. We should have about 2-3 inches of snow. We have a bunch of water here that drained out from the cars yesterday. And let me see. So this shaft is longer than this one, but if I unscrew this one, I'm not really sure how this is gonna work. I think I'm just gonna pull the cars out of the garage, help the door up, and let me see if that's gonna work. They're too late. Let me get some help out here. All right, guys, we got the doors open. I had my wife press the button and I was helping the door up. And now we gotta clean the driveway a little bit. We just got a little bit of snow. All right, so guys, let's clear this up and let's get cars out and shut it down so we can go ahead and do some activities today. All right, boys and girls. So in order to clean your dirty garage, let me show you how it's done. Because all the mess that comes in the tires in your cars. So all you gotta do, get some snow outside if you got it some, and throw it down. See all these muddy spots? Those are all gone from over here, from the front tires. So this one is next. So this is what happens. So I use one of those brushes, or you can use a squeegee. Squeegee works really good, but I only got a half of it. The other half just ended up in the garbage a couple seconds ago. So there it goes. So we're gonna use some snow, brush it back and forth, get this cleaned, take the BMW out, and do the other side as well. Just like that, guys, all the dirt is done, besides that side. So if you use fresh snow from the outside, if you got some, and your garage is dirty in the wintertime, from all the salt and all the mud that comes inside the fender wells, and they melt down in your garage, the best way is doing it without having your garden hose running around and cleaning things up. Use some snow, throw it over, because snow is acting like a sand to all the dirt. So it'll just soak in and you just push it out. And you have a little bit of wet garage, but you don't have a soaked garage like I had standing water over there behind the car and things like that. So this is the perfect way to clean your garage in the wintertime. And that's what I've been doing since I got moved in a house here. Always use snow, pull the cars out, use some snow, throw it over, you know, scratch it back and forth, or use a squeegee, just kind of spread the snow around, and the snow will take all the dirt with it. So there you go, guys. Great tip for the winter time. Keep your garage clean. So we have the car outside right now. We have the snow spread throughout this all muddy stuff. So what you do is just use some of the snow on the bottom of your brush or a squeegee. Go back and forth. And that's how you clean your floor. There you go. So let's go over here where all the mud stuff is. And just like that, your floor is clear. All you gotta do is see all the stuff coming out of the broom. So let's go get the squeegee. Get half the squeegee out. Just squeegee everything down. All this snow out of the way. It's just like that, guys. A really easy way to keep the garage clean. If you have more dirt somewhere, you just bring it back, squeegee, go back and forth. Yeah, let's go back. Alright guys, so it's kind of tough working with one hand, but there you go.